Now this model kit review is of the Junkers 87D Stuka, and it's a 1/48 scale model by Revell. Yeah, the colors needed. Yeah, pictures of the finished model. And here's another picture. This is the Stuka dive bomber. Yeah, the dimensions there. Let's have a look at what we have inside. Looks like we've got a number of loose pieces here. So first of all, here's our canopy, nicely molded. Quite wide wings. You can see this is also nicely molded, these individual flaps. And here is our seat. We have our tail here and pilot. This molding is from 1968. Here's our propeller with the spinner attached. We have our bomb, and looks like probably our our cockpit here. Here are the wings with the raised panel line detail, unfortunately. Here are our wheels, some extra little parts like pitot tubes and so on. And little bomblets. Here's our fuselage with the exhausts already molded in. All recessed, non-recessed panel lines. Here's our instrument panel with some details there. And we even have some detail on the inside of this cockpit, which is really nice. Well, that's not great quality, it's nice to have something there. And looks like this is probably part of our engine firewall. And these are our radiator intakes there. Here we have our wheels, some nice detail there. And our pilot figure. Here are the decals, very nicely printed decals with a good number of details there. Here are the instructions. There are the colors needed. Start off with the cockpit, and that's then put into the fuselage. Put the propeller shaft on, and then there's the exhausts. Fuselage glues together. Then we put the wings together. The cannon. And that's the fuselage. Wheels are glued together, and the cowling is also glued on. We put on the tail and stabilizer. We have little bomb racks, radiators, and dive brake. And a central bomb, large one. And then extra little pieces including canopy and guns are put on. And we have the decal and paint guide. And here's another version. So all in all, even though it's an older kit, still a good level of detail. Does have some raised panel lines, but it does also have some good decals, so overall not bad.